Dear students, in this section we will see application services of Google App Engine. Application services simplify most of the common operations that are performed in web applications like access to data, then account management, integration of external resources, messaging and communication, image manipulation and asynchronous computation. URL fetch. So Web 2.0 has introduced the concept of composite web application. Different resources are put together and it is organized as a message within the single page. Okay, so because of this it provides a sandbox environment. So the sandbox environment does not allow applications to open arbitrary connection through socket, but it does provide developers with the capability of retrieving a remote resource through the HTTP or HTTPS by means of URL fetch service. Okay, application can make the synchronous or asynchronous web request. Okay, and it integrates the resource obtained. And one of the interesting feature of this URL fetch is it is the ability to set deadline for request. Okay, so that it can be completed within a given time. Next is Memcache. So App Engine provides developers with access to fast and reliable storage, which is called as the data store. Okay, data store is a facility where we can store our reliable data. But App Engine provides the caching service by means of Memcache. This is the distributed in-memory cache that is optimized for fast access. It is used for the fast access and provide developers with a volatile store for objects that are frequently accessed. Okay, means here the data store like our computer system, the data store is like our secondary memory and Memcache is our cache memory. So the frequently used data is put into the cache memory and data store contains the data which is not accessed frequently. Okay, so this Memcache use the caching algorithm. That caching algorithm will automatically remove the objects that are rarely accessed. Okay, and the Memcache store the data that is frequently accessed. Okay, and if any application want to search that data, then it is first look into the Memcache. If it is missed in the Memcache, then it is searched for in the data store. Okay, then next is mail and instant messaging. So communication is the another important aspect for web application. It is common to use the email. We can use email for the communication. So to facilitate the implementation of such tasks, App Engine provides developer with the ability to send and receive the email through the concept that is called as the mail. So this service allows sending an email to the user on behalf of that applications. Okay, then again a second communication aspect is provided by the App Engine is external world is the extensible messaging and presence protocol, that is XMPP. App Engine provides another way to communicate with the external world through the XMPP. So any chat service that suppose XMPP such as Google Talk can send and receive the chat messages to and from the web application. Next service is account management. App Engine simplifies the account management by allowing developers to use the Google account management by means of Google accounts. So this account management link our account with the with our Google Mail or Google account by using the key value pairs and attach them to the given Google account and quickly retrieve them once the user authenticates. Next is image manipulation. So App Engine allows application to perform the image resizing, then rotation, mirroring and enhancement by means of image manipulation. It is a service that is also used in the other Google products. So image manipulation is mostly designed for lightweight image processing. So this is about the application services of Google App Engine. In the next section we will see compute services. Okay. Thank you.